Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to download and install the Visual Studio Code, in which we are going to code the HTML and CSS, and also I'm going to tell you some cheat code, that is some extension that will be very useful for all the beginners and also for the one who are already using this platform. So first of all, we need to download the Visual Studio Code. So now go to the Google Chrome, okay, and then search for the Visual Studio Code download. Okay, so after you have searched this, then just click to the first link, that is download the Visual Studio Code. So when you click onto it, so it will open a page in which you have to select which operating system you have. So I have a Windows, so I will be downloading for the Windows. Just click onto it. So it will take some while to download, like 2 to 3 minutes if you have a good network speed. So after you have downloaded it, just click on it and the arrow and click onto the open. So after you click onto the open, there will be a screen pop out. So now just click onto the I accept the agreement, then click onto the next. So it will ask you to browse. So it wants you, so you can save the installation file in any place. So I'll be saving on the local disk D. So just click to the next. Then I will click to the don't create a start menu folder as well. Then click to the next again. Then just tick all things and also create a desktop icon as well. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Then click to the next and then install it. So it will take some while, like 10 to 15 seconds. Just wait for it. So after done installing, just click onto the finish and launch the Visual Studio Code. So it will open this page. Okay, so now what we'll need to do first is just we need to open a folder in which we are going to add our HTML and CSS. So now just create a folder, just click the Ctrl plus Shift plus N and then create a new folder, and then just give a name. Let's say I will give a practice 1. Okay, then let's select this folder again. Okay, so we are inside this practice 1 folder. So now we'll be creating a new file for the .html extension. So let's say index.html. And also we'll be creating a same file for the CSS. So let's say style.css. So okay, so we have here our index.html and style.css in the one folder, that is practice 1, that we have just created. Okay, so now what we'll here do is just press shift plus 1 and then click onto enter. Then you will have this whole HTML format. Just write the title name whatsoever you want. Let's say practice 1, and then let's say prose. Okay, so now to link our HTML file with the CSS, we need to write the link. Okay, then choose the third one, that is :CSS. So if you have different name, then you can change on the href. Okay, so it links with our style.css. So now let's come to the body part and let's write something. Let's say with a h1 tag, let's write a hello everyone. Hello everyone. Then with a p tag, let's say how are you all doing. So to run this, we need to go to upward, go to the nav bar, then click to the run and click the start debugging. Okay, so it will directly open this page. So here you can see our text. So let me split this up so that you can easily see. So if I add something over here, let's say with a s2 tag, let's say good morning people. Okay, and so you cannot see anything I have wrote here. After I have saved it, let's write more. Okay, so let's write bye everyone. So as you can see, I have saved it, but it is not coming to our page, so I have to reload the page to get this all text. So we'll be adding our extension, that is this extension name is a live server. So when you save it in the index.html or in the style.css, it will automatically reload the page. So just install this live server. Okay, so after you have installed the live server, just close this page. Okay, just stop. Okay, let's stop this. And when you right click onto this page, so you can see open with a live server option. So let me do it once more. Just right click the mouse and you can see open with a live server. So when you click onto this, it will ask for the allow access, and you have to choose your. Okay, so this is our page here. It has opened to our Google Chrome. So let me show you. Let's delete this by everyone and save it. So as you can see on this on our website, it has already been deleted. We don't need to reload our page. Yeah. So let me add one more. So let me add Lorem Ipsum and save it. So as you can see, it automatically get reload in our web page. So this is a very useful extension. This is with a open with live server. As you can see, we can do this in our HTML, but when you go to the style.css, it will not work because style.css is only cascading style sheet. So it will not work in over here. When we do start bugging as well, it will not open in this page. So this page will, this localhost page or the live server will only open in the index.html. Let me show you again. So here is our page. So now we have our next extension, that is a CSS Flexbox Cheat. So this is for those who always forget or let's say they forget what flexbox property I need to use and what does what. Okay, so to use this, just go to the style.css and press for Ctrl K and then K. Okay, so here you can see all the flexbox property. You can use these all, and you can also know what does what, so you can try them out as well. As you can see, so here's written everything. So if you want to know about anything, you can just press Ctrl plus K and then it will open this page, that is our cheat sheet. So just search for the CSS Flexbox cheat sheet extension and then install it. Okay, so after you have done this, we have our final extension, that is a CSS peak. So if you don't know what this does is, so you can just pick the CSS, from the index.html. So I have here a div with a class green, as you can see. So it is showing the CSS as well, so which I have written in the style.css. So here, as you can see, I have written these all in the style.css, and it is showing from the HTML also. As you can see, just press the Ctrl and then hover the mouse, and it will show you this CSS that you have written in the style.css, or just you can just press direct F12 to reach the direct destination of the style.css. So these properties are very important, and it will make your coding much more faster. And these are the extension that we have today downloaded: CSS Flexbox Cheat Sheet, CSS Peak, and the live server. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have learned a lot from today. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and like my channel, and please write in the comment what would you like to learn on the next video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.